Well, last week we introduced you to the first of 8 ladies selected to be this year's Women with Heart honorees. It's an annual program at the Lewis and Peaches Owen Heart Hospital of Trinity Mother Francis.
The goal is to raise awareness about heart disease, and we've been talking about the second honoree this morning with CBS 19's Melissa Daigle. Melissa, Susan Roberts has an amazing story.
Yeah, she sure does. She underwent open heart surgery at 62 years old and has also had 4 bypasses. And at 62, she says she's finally adopted a healthy lifestyle, and she says her husband, grandkids, and dogs are what keep her feeling young.
Can you catch it? Say, I'm not a catcher. Jackson's the catcher. Well, you did. Good for you.
Making time for play and enjoying family is what's important to Susan Roberts these days.
I cannot imagine not being here to watch them grow up. They mean everything.
It took a scary day at work a couple years ago for her to realize she needed to make some changes so she could be around for her grandbabies.
I was at school doing car duty, or supposed to do car duty, and I just started feeling weird. Really weird, like I couldn't do it. I couldn't stand up. So I just handed my walkie to one of the other teachers, and she knew something was going on. So I went inside and sat in the nurse's office.
School staff offered to call Roberts an ambulance, but she decided against it.
Which is a mistake so many people make. Don't call an ambulance. I don't want to cause a stir.
She regrets doing what she did instead.
Stupidly, I drove myself to the doctor's office, and this is after I've already had 1 heart attack 10 years before, so I know better.
Surprisingly, Roberts said she went home after that visit.
And the second I got home, I knew something was going on. And my principal called to see if I'd made it home okay. I'm like, yes, I'm fine. I went to the doctor. Now I'm home. You know, you just don't want to admit it. I get my dogs all set up outside and then I call 911 because I was like in a fetal position on the bed yelling because it hurt so bad this time.
Cardiothoracic surgeon Dr. Neelan Dulab remembers Roberts well.
She came in with a little heart attack. She had all the risk factors: high blood pressure, high cholesterol.
She also has a family history of heart disease.
Dr. Dulab comes into my room and he says, you know, I'm going to have to perform open heart surgery and do some bypasses on you. We have found 4 blockages. I'm like, okay, can we do it on Friday?
Roberts says she doesn't let her heart problems stress her out because she knows that will only make them worse.
Surgery is all about having a good operation and then having a motivated patient that wants to get better afterwards. And from what I understand, she's doing her part.
Today, Roberts is retired, eating more healthy, and most importantly, she finally quit smoking. Dr. Dulab says all of those are very healthy changes, and another thing everyone should do is adopt a regular exercise program. He also says it doesn't hurt to see your family doctor once a year to pick up on problems and hopefully prevent some of those problems.
So what age should we do that?
Dr. Dulab recommended 40 for both women and men, and he said, you know, he did that himself just to make sure that everything's running properly. You know, you got to have that maintenance.
Yeah.
You never know. All right, thanks, Melissa.
Thanks, Melissa.
Heart disease is the #1 killer in women. This year's 8 survivors will be recognized at a special event next month in their respective cities, and everyone's welcome.
The first event will be in Tyler on February 4th. It's from 5:30 to 7:30 at the Tyler Rose Garden. The night will be filled with entertainment, food, prizes, health information, and an inspiring speech.
To see when a heart event is coming to a city near you, just visit our website, cbs19.tv, and click on the Hot button.